Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we're learning how to do the left-hand part of Are You Sleeping? And then we'll learn how to play it hands together. To do this lesson, you should have already learned and practiced the right-hand melody part of Are You Sleeping, which we covered in a previous lesson. So, if that means you, then let's get started by looking at the score. All right, today we're focusing on the left-hand part, so we'll be down here in the bass staff. Can you tell me the letter names of these first four notes? These are some of our guide notes. We've got middle C, F, middle C, F, 2 beats each. Now, what do you notice about measures 3 and 4 in the left hand? I have a little challenge for you if you're up for it. If you like, you can pause the video right now and see if you can try playing these notes without me showing you how. I'll just say that you're starting here on F and use finger 5. Try to play these notes and see what you notice. Or if you prefer, let's take a listen together. Here's what the left hand of line 1 should sound like. I'll start with finger 1 on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you notice that the left hand in measures 3 and 4 it's playing the same notes as what the right hand played in measures 1 and 2? It has the Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Melody. In music, that's called imitation, when one part plays the same part as another part or hand, but in an echo. It plays after the right hand plays it. Now, let's try to play it at the same time, together. Remember that when you have these half notes, hold them for 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's play all of line 1 together. And for an extra challenge, I'm going to ask you to count the beat out loud while you play. Left hand in position, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stop. If you had trouble with that, just rewind and try it again. If you got it, nice work. And let's keep going. Now let's check out line 2 for the left hand. Looking at the first note, can you tell me what note we play? Tell me the letter name. If you said A, you're correct. We have a half note on A, 1, 2, and then we skip up to C, then skip back to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, can you play that and count the beat out loud? All right, now let's really ramp up the difficulty. We're going to try it hands together now. So notice that the left hand has an A for a half note. You'll hold that 2 beats. While you're holding that A, the right hand is playing Morning bells are 4 eighth notes together like this. Morning bells are. Now, will you try that? Just do those first 2 beats of the measure. Play the A with the left hand while the right hand plays Morning bells are. Now you try. Good. Now, next up, the right hand plays ringing from A to F, while the left hand plays C to A. So notice both hands are skipping down, although they're playing different notes. So we have ringing. Now, will you try ringing? Ringing. Try that 2 or 3 times. Go. Good. Now let's put the whole measure together. We have morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Now press pause and try that on your own 4 or 5 times until you feel comfortable. Then press play when you're ready to go on. All right, now we're ready to put all of line 2 together, hands together. So with finger 4 of the right hand on C, it will sound like this. Now, press pause again, try all of line 2, hands together, then press play when you're ready to go on. All right, now that you know line 2 hands together, let's back up to line 1 to see how we'll play that hands together. Looking at measure 1, you'll see the right hand plays quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, while the left hand plays half notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Together, we'll get this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, press pause and try that 3 or 4 times on your own. Press play when you're ready to go on. All right, now let's put measures 1 and 2 together. It will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, press pause and try measures 1 and 2 together. Great. Now, you're ready for measures 3 and 4. Let's look at what the right hand's doing. We have, starting on A, stepping up, stepping up. What's the left hand doing? It's playing the melody that the right hand played in measures 1 and 2, as we mentioned. We have do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do. So you'll notice for the first 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, both hands are stepping up. Although, as before, they are on different keys. So remember, the right hand starts on A, the left hand starts on F. They both step up, and then on beat 4, while the right hand holds, the left hand skips back down to do. So we have do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do. Now press pause and work on those 2 measures for a few minutes. Play it several times until you feel comfortable, then press play when you're ready to go on. All right, now we've been through the whole song hands together. You may still be feeling not 100% confident yet, which is totally fine. You're going to practice this for several days. I'm going to play the whole thing hands together for you. And if you'd like to try playing along with me, you can. Or if you'd like to just play the left hand or just the right hand, or just listen, that's fine. When you're ready, you'll try it with me. I'll count 4 beats before we begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work learning the left-hand part for Are You Sleeping? I hope you enjoy playing this song. See you next time for more musical learning. Excuse me, French chef. Oui, mademoiselle. Could you please teach us the French words to Are You Sleeping? Oh, bien sûr. I will teach you. You and Scuba say back whatever I say. And kids at home, you try it too. I'll teach you the French words. Okay, repeat after me. Frère Jacques. Frère Jacques. Bien, bien. Dormez-vous. Dormez-vous. Good. Sonnez les matines. Sonnez les matines. No, we try again. Listen carefully. Sonnez les matines. Sonnez les matines. Ding dong ding. Ding dong ding. Bien, bien, we have it. Now, we try singing it together as a round. Kids at home, you sing along with me and Princess. And Scuba, you and Froggy, you come in second. We sing together as a round. Here we go. Frère Jacques, begin with me. Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques, sonnez les matines, sonnez les matines, sonnez les matines, sonnez les matines, ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Yeah, we did it!
Wow,
Wow, that was awesome! Yeah, let's keep singing, everyone. Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques.